The physical body is held in place, and this is important. It is held in place and in space by another unseen body, which is called the vital body. The vital body is the one that gives energy, is the one that vitalizes the physical body for it to do all the things that it does. Let's look at the bodies that we are talking about here, that every human being has. 4 material bodies and 3 spiritual aspects. The ones that we all know is the physical body. We use it for our daily activities. And the physical body comprises solid, liquid, and gas. All physical things, that is how they are made of. And they are subject to gravity. They are subject to the law of distance and that of time. That is what there is. So when you look at the physical body, material science has given us a lot of information about it. So you can actually read more about the physical body and know yourself better. But unfortunately, not many people bother to know about the physical body. It's one of the best instruments the Spirit is using. And we need to know about the physical body in order to use it well. Of course, basically, we have the cells, we have the tissues, we have the organs, and then we have the systems. And there are 10 major systems that make up the functioning of this physical body. Now, how these systems work as one single unit is amazing. It's amazing to even the scientists. And then the big question is, who is coordinating all this systemic work? It is the Spirit that is doing all that. It is the Spirit. From the respiratory to the excretion to whatever, is the Spirit that is coordinating all these systemic activities. Now, for the Spirit to live physically on earth, it needs this physical body. Without it, it cannot function. There will be no affinity between it and the gravity of this earth. That is why the Spirit has to adorn this physical body in order to live physically on this planet. Otherwise, it will just float and behave like a ghost. But that is not the way it's supposed to be. That is why we have the physical body. So we can learn a bit more in terms of anatomy and physiology to know more about our physical body. Now, the physical body is held in place, and this is important. It is held in place and in space by another unseen body, which is called the vital body. The vital body is the one that gives energy, is the one that vitalizes the physical body for it to do all the things that it does. For the physical body to function, its functioning capacity and ability is given by the vital body. It extends a little beyond the surface of the physical body by 1.5 inches. And actually, it is electromagnetic. Some people call it the electric body. It is an exact copy of the physical body because the physical body is an emanation from that vital body. Atom to atom, molecule to molecule, it is the vital body that does that. So it holds the physical body in space and gives it the energy to do what it does. Without this vital energy from the vital body, the physical body will be inept. It can't do anything. It can never perform any of its biological functions. So the vital body is key to the sustenance and the ability of the physical body to do what it does. Now, the vital body, which holds the physical body in place, is actually made up of 4 ethers. These ethers are interrelated. The 4 ethers that make up the vital body are interrelated, and they have functions that are specific to them. Now, when you talk about ethers, not many people know about them, but it's a final form of air That is what we can say of ethers as of now. And it permeates everywhere in the solar system and in the universe. It is a final form of air. And as far back as the 19th century, people mention it, or people call it as the fifth element. That is the ethers. So the vital body comprises 4 ethers. And now, what are those ethers? One is the chemical ether. The second is the life ether. The third is the light ether. And the fourth is the reflection ether. All these ethers perform specific functions, but together they perform as one unit to hold in place the activities that we use the physical body for.